beautiful double bottom pattern. The price break above the double bottom pattern. The key level for the double bottom pattern is this level here. The price break above that double bottom pattern, the key level here, it break above it, give a nice pullback here, and now is zooming back up. This is excellent confirmation that the downtrend is kaput. As soon as this level is broken, the downtrend is kaput. Okay, the best place to enter is right here. Okay, for those of you who have missed this beautiful Bank of America change of direction, is this the best place to enter. But if you want to enter again, you need to go to the lower time frame to find for yourself the best entry point. Those who are using the TSTWSYS08 will have the unfair advantage to cream this stock. Okay, it got a beautiful breakout to the upside. This is a very bullish regarding this Bank of America. I'll try to draw some light on this chart. Hopefully it will allow me to do that nicely. Okay, as you can see, the trend here being broken, retest up. Okay, beautiful. Okay, if you want to draw the trend line here on this price, okay, so the price was in a downtrend going up, and now you see this beautiful channel. I hope right from now on you will be busy also using the channel. You touch it here, hit it here, touch it here, hit it here, couldn't go further, touch it here, okay, touch it here, hit it here, and so on and so on. Now it's out, retest, beautiful retest, now it's out. Okay, the price now at this level here. The first day out of the bearish zone. Okay, the first day out of the bearish zone, beautiful, flying away. Anytime the price going up, you watch out the next resistance level. Okay, what you do, you draw your chart, the resistance level. Bear with me when I'm removing this nonsense on my chart. Okay, let me remove that and draw something else. So when the price going up, we are watching the key resistance level. This is to give you a bit of taste of the thing that we'll be doing next year. The tool that we'll be using, the TSTW24 and the TSTW-SYS08. Like I said before, the last the last TSTW, the last TSTW that we're going to release to the public. Okay, the last that we will give to the public will be the TSTW SYS008. That's the last one that we give to the public. The TSTW SYS0008, which is the fourth TSTW, we will sell it to a hedge fund manager or a bank for sure. Okay, and the last TSTW, okay, which is the TSTW SYS00008, we will keep it for ourselves. We will never release that to the public or sell it to anyone at all. Okay, so we will release 3 to the public. Okay, sell 1 to the hedge fund manager, keep 1 for ourselves. Okay, so so far we have released 2 TSTW to the public. If you haven't purchased the TSTW24 and the TSTW SYS08, we always, if somebody asks me, do you recommend that? I'll say to you yes. Okay, but the decision is yours. Okay, it's your money, it's your decision. We do not try to force people to buy from us. There are other trading systems that you can purchase on the market. It's up to you entirely. You make your own decision, your own choices. It's up completely down to you. Okay, so I'm talking here about the Bank of America here that looks very beautifully bullish. Okay, so the only thing that can mess up this nice move to the upside is the market manipulation. That's the only thing that can mess up this move to the upside. Okay, so keep your eyes on this one, the Bank of America. The EPIC is a BAC, okay, Bank of America. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, that you put it to practice in order to cream the market consistently. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Thank you for watching. Speak to you soon.